Hi, I am Dr. Jaydeep Dutta, and we have now put together the idea of Konstrukt awards. They are design and innovation awards which are meant for completed projects and located within West Bengal. We want to reach out to the different districts of West Bengal. We want to showcase those lovely buildings which are relatively hidden from our public glare. How this came to be about is that it was an idea which I had talked with many of my colleagues earlier, saying that there are many architectural awards around, but they tend to be elitist and centric around the city, and we pay scant attention to what's going on in the rest of the state and the tier 2, tier 3 cities. I had always thought that a building can also be very magnificent and brilliant, even if it is not very big or grand. But there was a gap, so there was no way that we could recognize these kind of projects. Somewhere, among all the people that I meet and work with, I met with Mr. Ashish Beriwala. He happens to be the director of SRMB. He's a very young, dynamic, bright man. He had similar ideas, it seems, and when we had an informal chat, we realized that he also thinks that we should be able to reach out with all the architects and the engineers to all the districts and nooks and corners of West Bengal. And since mine is only a thought, but for him, he can actually bring along with him a lot of energy and the real power required. So he is the wind behind our wings, and thanks to him, we've been able to bring Konstrukt to fruition. And I think we just launched Konstrukt today. It is the seed that we have sowed. For the next 2 months, there'll be all entries coming in. We'll do 2 levels of judging, and we hope to be able to identify the best of the projects for its innovation, for its use of ICT, and for the best fit to the context and scope of the work. We hope that on the 9th of April, when we finally have the main jury and the finale of the awards, we will be able to set a benchmark and a brand for Konstrukt, which eventually, by its reach, by its recognition, and by its achievement, will be able to generate more public awareness and a keen interest of the profession, architecture and civil engineering, among the common people, and finally raise the bar of the profession itself. Thank you.